Simon Cowell has been spotted back on his bike in Los Angeles 6 weeks after he cheated death in a horrifying accident. The 62-year-old smiled as he zoomed down the busy Pacific Coast Highway in Malibu. 3. Simon beamed as he zoomed down the roadCredit, Splash News. 3. Just 6 weeks ago he cheated death in a horrifying bike accident. Splash News. Dressed in all black and wearing sunglasses, music mogul Simon appeared carefree despite almost dying after the smash in London last month. Sources at the time told The Sun he was lucky to be alive after he was propelled over the handlebars and onto the road at 20 miles per hour, while not wearing a helmet. Passers-by dashed to help the blood-soaked Britain's Got Talent star before paramedics arrived. The dad of one was rushed to hospital with suspected concussion and a broken arm. Cowell's latest crash, near his home in West London, came 18 months after he broke his back on a knee bike in Los Angeles. Last night a source said, Simon is lucky to be alive. He was pedaling along, with his electric motor on, when the wheels suddenly went from under him after hitting a wet patch. He slipped and went flying over the handlebars into the middle of the road. Earlier this month The Sun revealed Simon will spend 3 months in Los Angeles as he and fiancée Lauren Silverman plan their wedding. A source said, Simon and Lauren don't want a big showbiz-style wedding. They really just want an intimate affair with close family and friends, which may surprise a lot of people. While Simon, who shares 8-year-old son Eric with Lauren, is there to share his thoughts on the big day, has letting her make all of the big decisions. The source added, Simon will spend 3 months in Malibu going through the details and finalizing plans. Lauren is excited to plan their perfect day. Romantic Simon popped the question in front of Eric and stepson Adam, from Lauren's first marriage, on Christmas Eve. A source revealed, Lauren was absolutely stunned and never in a million years expected Simon to pop the question. She burst into tears, happy tears, and obviously said yes straight away. It was important to Simon that the kids were there too, as he adores them both and the family they've become. Lauren has been Simon's rock over these past few years, supporting him when he broke his back, and through thick and thin generally. They make a wonderful couple. Whilst Simon never thought he was the marrying type, he's realized he's met the woman of his dreams, and couldn't be happier. In the words of Beyoncé, it was time to put a ring on it. The mogul, worth £360 million, has been dating the stunning American socialite, who is also a millionaire in her own right, for 13 years. 3. Simon will spend 3 months in LA planning his wedding to Lauren.